got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways. Like
I survived.
I think in my heaven any day. What do I know? I don't have it away. Got me for you, falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore?
Okay, pose.
One day on a tightrope, my mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you? You said things were different. What made you change it up? How could I believe what you showed me? Yeah. Tell me you said it was
Bye.
dangerous. Toss
It is currently 2:05 p.m. Hinintay pa natin yung susunduin natin. Pero naglalakad na daw siya. Let's wait ng konti pa. Hi to the vlog. Ay, vlog. Kung may pasok ka.
Pero pauwi ko na.
Ay, tapos na. Hello. Hello. Let's go. Hello. Ano na? So sleepy. Hi. Let's go. Ito na yung car.
Ako sa Chicago 2 years ago.
Okay,
Na-check
very
ako
good.
yung buong pangyayari. Tapos alam mo yung nag-promise ako na pagdating mo dito, ako naman yung pupunta sa'yo.
The duality. Ito ay strawberry something ang haba ng last name niya. Basta strawberry matcha with the last name. This is mine. Iced matcha latte. Okay, taste test. This is the matcha. Bakit ang straw nila? Nagbebend.
It's really good though, this one. I love the sourness from
Mine is just okay.
I love the sourness from the strawberry.
The hangout is in another country. Halfway across. More than half. No, I mean like from the Philippines, di ba? Halfway across the world.
True.
Ayan o, parang maganda siya. Wait, I'ma zoom it. Diba, may something dyan or dito sa black o. Parang gusto ko din dyan eh.
Parang rectangle.
Tatawid ba tayo? Try, diba? Nasabi mo
Ay, yung
na-try.
kasama. Hindi ko pa.
Hindi yun.
Hindi ko pa yun natatry.
Okay, very good.
Kasi
Ako ang
sobrang
kasama mo.
Sa kana or pick up. Kasi hindi naman ako nag-drive. So parang
Walk.
walk
in.
up. Ang kod mo tingnan.
It's giving 6-footer.
Giving 5'9" on a good day. Try natin sa ano.
May field trip sila. Alam, may field trip. May field trip oh.
Hi. Hi everyone. Follow me at Kat Garcia
Go.
on Instagram. I can't remember my TikTok username. This is the third time I changed.
This is the view. We are at Battery Spencer. Naglalakad kami. At si ate girl ay naka-heels. Pero sige, ilalaban ko to dahil maarte ako. Papanindigan ko tong outfit ko. Kahit yung mga tao din naka-jacket. Hindi ko lalagyan ng jacket ang outfit ko kasi sayang. Papanindigan ko to kahit malamig. The chismis! Cut the chismis! There's a video! Say hi for the Golden Gate. Welcome to San Francisco! We are at Battery Spencer. Ito yung parang overlooking. Yan, ng Golden Gate. Ayan yung view namin. Hi! We are at Presidio Park.
Hi! Hi,
Mama.
Nikki's followers!
Ito yung view. Diba? So nice.
I'm with the beautiful Allison.
Hello, this is our fit. Oh, tanan. Naka-heels pa si ate girl. My mama and my Kathy. Okay guys, change outfit na kasi masakit na ang paa ko. This is the heel in question. Ayan, heels. So ngayon, ito na. Ay, may tumatawag sa phone ko. Kaya mo siyang aray ko. Ha! Finally! Wait
Got
lang.
it?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
I know.
Yeah, me too. We are at the Disney Museum. Ayan lang. It's 3:40 and it closes at 5:30.
Huh? Hello? Uy, namingiti na siya. Smiling.
Ay, pag may pindot ka ako din.
Oo.
Ano mo nga, ikaw nga.
Oo. Kasi
Sabay.
parang teamwork siya. Merong instructions doon. Ayan o. Ayan o. Tingnan mo.
Ay, ito,
Ito,
yun.
ito yun.
Ang sayo galing, no? Galing, ang fun. Oh, si Enjoy. Anong gagawin? Ayan na. O, paano natin maririnig? Continue mo. Si Pinocchio? Ay, pinapalitan. Pasa na? Ay, amazing. Yung kay Goofy. Kamusta ka naman dyan? Kamusta ka dyan?
Signal ko ah.
Oh,
Okay naman. Hindi kita masyado.
Nagme-make na lang.
gumagalaw siya eh.
Yan, nagme-make.
Pero, it moves. Yeah.
Amazing!
Cutie. Pack handwritten letters. There is an elephant. So pretty. Hi, it's me. Pwede laruin yung bird. Ito yung bird.
Oh my God, kumakanta siya.
Postcards. Oh my God. Okay, now we are at the Palace of Fine Arts. This is the view. We are walking. Yeah. Hi! Ay, nawala. Hi!
God, we're black and brown, but like opposite sides.
We are walking to the Wave Organ. Anday na nalakad namin. Naglalakad pa rin kami. Ayun yung ayan, liit pa. Hindi pa masyadong kita. Basta yun yung Alcatraz. Amazing. two types of girls. This is mine. The sangria, this is hers. The pretty one. Sa akin yung mukhang malungkot kasi dark. Sa kanya yung super, lovely and happy. Ito po ang pulutan. May whipped cream pa. Sobrang tita. Uminom ng alak. Pero ang pulutan, cheesecake. Baka ganun talaga. Di lang kami, cultured. Nakakaya.
Okay, wait.
Na-video yun. Parang, iinom na. Wait. Okay, cheers.
Ayan, totoo na. Cheers. Okay, taste. Oh,
Ubas.
I think I need to swirl that.
Sa akin masarap.
So, wala kang straw. Cheers. Yan. Oh.
Hindi talaga ako fan. Pero masarap may salt sa baba.
Oh, tsaka may yung coconut sa ibabaw.
Yeah, masarap. Masarap pala. Oh, ginudge ko agad.
Judge it.
Ginudge ko agad.
Selfie lang. Gusto ko siya pa tayo. Gusto ko.
One take. Cheers. Apa man? Yummy.
Traffic.
Nakakatawa na yung pulutan cheesecake. Hi guys! It is Cats Day 2 here in San Francisco, and we are at San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. We are here at SF MoMA, San Francisco Museum of Modern Art.
We can draw our own pictures.
Ay, okay, sige. Hello! So yun, nandito kami, nag-ikot kami ngayon sa SF MoMA. I think the tickets are $30 each per person. So, yeah. Guys, ang ganda ng apple. We have a 1:30 1:30 show for Matisse. It's currently 1:15. 15 minutes pa kami.
I'm so excited.
Waiting.
That's one of my favorite artists.
Yep. Meron kaming complimentary ticket for it. I think you have to pay an additional $10 or $12 on top of the 30 if you wanna watch the show. Meron silang floor na may collab, and then you can, it's like an interactive space. Yan o. May mga box and everything. Yan. The shapes. What do you do? Do you stick it?
It is not.
Oh! Okay, let's try. And then you stick it. Amazing! Okay guys, this is our art. Diba? It's a samgyupsal!
Walang wall. Bahala ka lang mo.
You
Pwede
don't.
mo siyang ganun yun, no?
Ay, natanggal. Say cheese. Ayan yung mga final product. And nasa TV siya. And also it's here.
Hi. We're having fun.
I don't think it's like a show. I think it's like an exhibit, like
Probably.
an exclusive exhibit.
Siguro. So, magmamatis muna kami, and then we're gonna go on the last floor, sa 6th floor. Kasi yung 7th floor is closed. And then, pag pababa namin, we're gonna check out the outside area. Yep. Okay.
Parang so.
Ah, we have there pa, oh.
Ayaw nga.
Let's finish that one muna. pinch of medium kasi naiwan ko yung TGI ko sa kotse. Pero it's 3:28 p.m. and nakapila kami sa line. Pila kami. Let's see kung gaano kami katagal bago maka-order ng matcha. It is 3:42, so ilang minutes na yun? Wala pang 15 minutes. Nasa loob na kami, pero may pila pa. So let's see kung gaano katagal ang order namin. This is my order. This is Velvet Cloud matcha. And this is, what's your order?
Strawberry cloud matcha.
Okay, test run.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay, let's cheers.
Sarap din yung food. I get the hype. It's nice.
I get what they say. It's like
So far, mas masarap to kesa sa the one from yesterday.
yeah.
This is Lincoln Stairs. Lincoln Stairs.
Everything around me is space. Incredible view.
Santa Rick, ang sakit na ng tuhod ko. What if wag muna ako mag-video kasi baka mahulog ako. Diba? Okay guys, I survived. Kasi pababa yun. Let's see mamaya pagpaakyat kung mabubuhay pa ako. Ha ha ha. Dati, guys, kaya kong tumakbo ng 42 kilometers. Ngayon, hindi ko na kayang umakyat ng hagdan. This is the school daw of the Princess Diaries. Yan. 2601. Pero yung outside lang. Kasi yung inside, they just filmed it in a studio. Pero this is the exterior nung Princess Diaries School. Maririnig sa vlog ko. Na parang mga heart attack si sister. Akit pa kami dun, guys. Hingan lang ako. Dito kami galing.
I wonder how many steps.
Wait. Diyan kami galing. Diyan sa pinakababayan niya sa likod pa ng puno. Cute sana pero it's closed. Diba? Tapos meron na. Nagluluha ako. Nagluluha na ako sa lamig. Oh my God. Pero the view is so nice. We are at Sutrapa.
My whole life seems like just a strange dream. I thought I was in control. The image I know of my face is clearer now. Can it really all be a crazy, crazy dream? Go further, go further, go further, go further, go further.
Okay, we are walking. Hi!
Hi, vlog! Save us!
Punta kami dun sa kabila. There on. Hindi ko alam paano kung makakasurvive kaming lahat papunta dun. Hi, constituents! Pero malapit na kami, guys. Ayan na yung view. Hala! We survived. Dun kami galing. Tapos ako dito. Si Cathy daw hindi nakasurvive. Ang haba kasi ng pantalon ng sister ko.
Tignan mo nga, nilinis ko yung buong San Francisco sa ano.
Nagmamap dito sa San Francisco. O, diba? Iuwi pa niya yung buhangin ng San Francisco papuntang Chicago. Hello! Let's go, Mama, go! Okay, pose, pose, pose. Marka ng San Francisco. Yan.
Ito pa, nasa
Marka ng San Francisco. Nililinis niya kasi yung ano eh, dito.
Pasensya na.
Oo.
Ito.
Yan ang pamalit niya sa pagbisita niya dito. Linilinis niya yung sahig ng San Francisco. Doon pa kami galing oh. Sa pinakababa. Congrats! So we are now at Painted Ladies. Ayan yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na house. We are at Dolores Park and ito yung view.
Dolores Park.
Yeah, pero ang daming people kasi ang daming tumatambay. Diba? The view is so nice. The view is sounding like
Okay, yun na yun. Tapos na yun. Yun lang. Yun yung intro.
sasama natin sa vlog yun. Kasama yung yung bloopers na okay na yon, intro yon. Grabe ang lamig. This is Twin Peaks. Guys, ang lamig. Yung sunset, ayan, di namin masyadong kita. But this is the view. There you go. Pinakataas, pero parang di na kami aakyat. Kung kami galing sa baba, oh, kasi dito na kami sa taas. Ito yung view. Ganda sobra. See? That's the view.
I love you.
Yeah. Okay guys, yung number is 28 and ang number namin ay
Bingo.
T73. Halika na nga. Parang pwede muna kaming umuwi. Uwi muna kami, tapos magdi-dinner kami. Tapos balikan na lang namin. Kasi
si tita na adobo.
baka mamaya pa kami tapos dito. My God! Sabi ko sa'yo sobrang haba ng pila kasi masarap talaga siya. Pero hindi makatarungan yung 28 pa lang, tapos 73 ako. Malamig. Hi guys, it is Kat's third and last day here in San Francisco. Ang lamig, di ko alam anong weather ngayon, pero ang lamig, lalagay ko yung weather somewhere. May kasama ako ditong Smurf. Halika dito. Ito si Smurf, oh. Lamig na lamig. Ay, di ko alam if nababasa, but we're gonna start. Ito yung view. See, ang ganda ng trees, oh. And here pala, when you go here, you cannot go here without a parking reservation. So you have to do that before you go here kasi they won't let you in if you don't have a parking reservation. One car is about $10 pag hindi siya electric. I'm not sure if they charge more if it is electric, but sa amin, it was $10 and then $15 ang entrance fee per person on top of the $10 parking fee. And hindi kayo pwedeng pumasok here without parking fee kasi they scan it in front before they let you in ng by car. So pag wala yon, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-hike over here. But you can buy your tickets here, yung $15 each, but the parking, you cannot. So might as well book it all online on their website, which is, lagay natin somewhere. There's a 15-minute ranger talk but it has time 10:15, 1:15, and 3:15 and hindi na namin yan i-wait kasi matagal pa yung 10:15. This is the view, guys. Ang ganda talaga, I swear.
Go further, go further, go further, go further, go further, go.
Guys, pwede daw mag-wish. Tapos meron silang ito, tapos papukas mo, take a note card and may note card dyan. Tapos ihuhulog mo, may pencil din. Guys, it is ADA friendly. Meron silang may dalang wheelchair. Place pala is ADA friendly. Which is nice kasi at least they get to experience here. Rin, kahit they're on a wheelchair and having a hard time walking. It's cold. Malamig sa loob. Buti na lang nag long sleeve ako. I was supposed to wear sleeveless or like short sleeves. Buti na lang naka long sleeve si sister. So I would suggest to layer up. We are at Bridge 4. Go, Mama. I will push you. This is the view. Kasi medyo pa-uphill.
Taas na pala.
Yep. You got this, mama. Come on. Flat na dyan, oh. Sabi siguro ng nanay ko. Nilibre ko nga siya, pero nilibre ko naman siya para mag-hiking. The other trails, pero maybe doon lang kami sa this one. The basic one. Kasi baka masyadong mabigla ang aking mga constituents. I wanna explore this more. So please, kung sino man dyan, take me here again. Let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Anong time na? Makikita mo ba yung time?
Let me grab my phone. It's 9:52.
9:52. I think we started around 8:30 or
8:40.
yeah, 8:45, something like that. So, almost 1 hour of walking. But marami kaming stops kasi marami kaming photos na tinitake kasi sayang ang $15 and $10 parking. So, hi! Maganda tong tree. Wait there. Say hi. Testing.
Ay, hindi gusto nilang dalawa.
Diyan kami galing sa baba. So, dito na kami ngayon sa taas. Grabe. This is the view.
Sabi niya, nag-pretend ako na hindi ako nahirapan.
We're done! We made it!
Yeah, we're going back na. Almost done. I'm getting this one. It's a postcard. Okay.
Kathy! Allison!
Thank you.
This is for my husband. Boiled eggs for everyone.
Okay, food reveal.
Okay?
Ham, egg, and Vienna sausage na chicken. Chopstick.
Hindi kita lagyan kasi ng adobo.
I know you know.
Yeah.
Ang nabit mo ng paligid. Parang hindi niya ako maganda.
Day 2. Yay!
Ito yung normal, tatlong scoop. So,
This is banana split pero 2 scoops only. It has Rocky Road here and blueberry cheesecake. We are here tapos ang daming merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I-hold ko na.
Sometimes
750 nga.
it's
Ayan na.
Heard approved. Sakit sa mata?
Oo. At saka mainit.
That island, this one, that is Alcatraz. We are at Pier 39. Nagsasunbathing sila, guys. I don't think Chonkers is here. This is the Muni. No, not the Muni. Just the
shuttle.
train. Train lang ata siya. We ate here. In and out. I had Kathy try this one. Hi, ang hangin. Hi, guys. So, we are at Fisherman's Wharf at Pier 39. This is Kat's last afternoon with me for this month. Malay mo, matsundan next month. So, we're gonna go to Ghirardelli Square. We went to In-N-Out and we got food. We also got souvenirs sa Pier 39 na shop. Now, we are taking videos lang And then we're gonna walk again.
I'll show them.
Got matching necklace with our initials. This is mine.
And then I got a tea. And of course, we had to get Isha.
Yun yung background music namin
And
guys. So,
oh my god, my hair looks
ako din eh, oh.
insane. I for insane. I for Isha. And I kind of want to wear mine now. So I think ano bumili ako ng
Fit check.
parang kukunin na tayo.
Super. Ayan, medyo okay naman. Ginudge lang natin agad. I don't know if kita kami ba. Yay! Thank you! Thanks. This is our last stop. This is our view. Bababa kami. This is the last stop of the trip. Let's go. We are still walking. Okay guys, so ito po ang view ng Coit Tower. Yan yung Chubibo. Diyan kami galing kanina.
Oh
So,
my
ayan
god,
yung
yeah, that's true. We walked
Alcatraz and the American flag. Yan, basta galing kami dyan sa baba kanina, sa may Chubibo. So ngayon nasa taas na kami.
Hi.
This is our last stop na talaga, the Coit Tower.
Totoo na to.
Bye! Ayun yung Coit Tower. Ayan siya.
Thank you so much for spending the weekend with me.
Bye guys!
I love you.
Pupunta na kami ng airport. Bye! This is Bay Bridge. Bye! Bye-bye!
I love you. Thank you so much for touring. I've been gone kasi sila. Sorry.
Update mo ako ha, okay? Uy boy! Ingat ka.
Bye-bye po.